Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker Channel here. I'm here with Violet today. It's a little rainy out, but we decided to come to the Monster Mini Golf place to see if we can putt around and check out the amazing art that they have in here. It's gonna be cool. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. You got your mask, and I got my mask. Ooh. Let's see here.
I like the lights, I don't like the dark side.
Ooh. Wow. Pretty cool.
From Niagara Falls, New York. This song's for you.
This one looks a little scary here. I don't know, I think that's Frankenstein.
No.
They have all this amazing artwork here. Whoa, he's a little upset. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! You did it! It went in there. So that was a lot of fun. We got a hole-in-one. They gave us a free game when we come back because of the hole-in-one with the clown face. But this place is pretty awesome. Definitely great for the kids. 25. Some gack. Gummies. Gummy candies. The thing of nerds. Those are always good. Hey, so that was awesome. It was really spooky in there. They had some animatronics. But anyway, it was a lot of fun for the family. If you're in Frisco, I would say come and check it out. Did you like it?
Yeah.
It was exciting. And I got a hole-in-one at the end. So anyway, we're gonna head on back, upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe and have the most rocking day.
Bye.